की खूब और कब्बाते से टीवी।
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Trai Jongka Economic Medical Hall, Udavendra Singhania, Ulapan Pau Kujisngo Babi, Halor Kaei Belajar Kalai Potrik Ujulio Arajar Arpusan, Hagapor Begedong Troika Shilo Municipal Board, Kiwan Kenra Nong di Madan, Hagabakalami, Kijingapin E, Hapadeng Jong U, Bakilong Kabi Kibishong di Madan. Ulong Bagajing Kren Jong U, Kamut Ban Kren Ben Yanuino, Hindegade Tang Gajingasngo Tho Bakala. Ulong Bakaei Kabala Sapriang Haka video. Kedai ke batang kendiat, hendai ke bering video kim yo nambas dang, badai nak kata kadau kim sengau tho. Ulang bahag tugas ngi kidon ki kenna ki buan siang senduk hakmat dukan jong u, bar ulak keren ye ki dek bajai jai, hendai kela bering empen ban u, bar kumta ulak yu jing kloid bar kelami ke jing keren ru kumtu kumbaka pau haka video. Shushu ulang baka ying kesem jong u, kala shong lasa haka dega jela, lakumba shispa san post nem AA. But what lakim neki khasi hakas nam hendrik dan gajing sngo baga Meghalaya gadika shnong Trai jongki but kiru ke sngo Trai kum ga jalala jong ulabu jing keliru da ka boong ba hato lada ki bru ki wan rong jubor haka jaka jongpi klem depan jingbet ne klem gajing tip jongpi pishasi banle komta unu Trai uloong bo unum sha banle komta.
You sit anywhere you feel like. Yes, I will stand here. You see what you can do. I'm standing here. I forcefully इधर हमारा कंपाउंड में बैठने मांगता है तू, हाँ? दादागिरी दिखाएगा इधर में. Now regarding the little argument with the ladies Kong which were there
in front of your shop.
In front of the shops, I think that was a little misunderstanding which had occurred, and at the heat of that moment where I lost my composure at an act which I deeply regret, which I shouldn't have done, but at that moment of heat, which I did not try to insult anybody, but I still regret that what I have told I shouldn't. And I feel that yes, it was bad on my part, for which I really regret. There has been a misunderstanding, you see, between these lady hawkers and myself. There was so much of chaos that what they wanted to communicate me and what I wanted to communicate them was not very clear. So that ended into a little heated discussion, but nothing beyond that. I never told them to leave that place or never asked them to go away. They were standing there. After a few moments, they left. I'll tell you, in my area, there is a poor Bengali guy whom I had given that space to put his wares, there's clothes to sell there, and he was taking care of the total area cleanliness and all that, so that unwanted elements do not enter the compound. But when the notification from the Shillong Municipal Board had come out that there will be a checking from the 30th of June, and the persons and the roadside vendors who do not have COV will have to vacate the places. So I asked my person there who was sitting there that whether he had a COV or not. He told, sir, I have not received the COV. Then I told him, see, it is not my problem. Now, if you want to put the clothes, you can put. If you don't want, it's up to you. Because if the municipal people come and confiscate your goods, I cannot help you, because this is a matter of government and the vendors. So I will not be involved anywhere. So on and off he was taking out his clothes. When the municipal authorities were coming, he took off his clothes. At about 3:30, he suddenly wound up his shop. So the space became empty. When it became empty, these boys who had come with, I think it was maybe pre-planned or whatever it is, I cannot say surely, they came with their boxes, put them there and wanted to sit there in my compound. So this argument started there, that I will not allow you to sit in my premises, you can sit on the road. This, in the earlier video which has been circulated in and around, Only the version what I have told is there. The total version has not been given. I have no grudges against anybody. I have no hard feeling against anybody, and I do not want to hurt the sentiments of my brother and sister, Inuit brothers and sisters. But as a citizen of Meghalaya, I don't have the right to object to a person who is occupying my space illegally. If it is so that I do not have the right, then where should I go? I don't have a house in Guwahati where I go and live. My whole family, my whole forefathers have given everything here, because we never think that we have to go outside. We stay here, we live here, we will die here. So we are genuine citizens. And we are businessmen. We will fight. We are not here to fight. We are here to unite, to create love among our brotherhoods. So this is what I want to say. And I don't have any grudges against any organization, anybody, but it is just a clarification which from my side, I think I should give, because in the social media, so much things have been circulated against us. I have seen in some that they have termed us as Dakar. They have come the other day, but I'm very sorry to say that our family has been residing here for the last 150 years. See, in this, as you have questioned me regarding the threat which I have seen through the social media, I have no grudge against any organization. But here I want to clarify one thing, that a few statements which have been published by the organization HNLC, to my knowledge, is not true. I have never confronted the ladies. It was only my premises which I was trying to protect. I have never driven away the Inuit lady hawkers from the streets. It is not my duty, and I am not the competent authority to do so. It is the duty of the district administration or the municipal. So how do I have been dragged into it, saying that I have driven away the Inuit Khasi hawkers, lady hawkers? This, I don't agree with it, because I have not done anything wrong. See, we as a family, we are very dedicated, and my family, citizens of Meghalaya. Very dedicated. We take Meghalaya as our hometown. We have been born up in Shillong, did my educations here, doing business here, and our family rated right back to 1876, which is nearly 150 years. We have our own reputation. But the incident that had occurred on the 30th June in front of my premises, which I will tell you the total story, what it is exactly. It was an argument had broken out with a few boys who wanted to forcefully putting their wares in my premises without taking my consent or without any dialogue. They wanted to sit forcefully, for which I was not prepared for. I was not prepared. And as a journalist, I would ask you also, if anybody wants to enter your premises, your house or your property without your knowledge, will you allow? I don't think that any like-minded people will say that they will allow anybody to trespass your property without taking your permission. So I was only having an argument with them, and I did not use any foul language, neither I used any force. I was very polite at the beginning and told them that please do not sit in this place, as this is my premises and I will not allow anybody to sit here. When we were discussing this, the boys suddenly started shouting and they started saying that we will see you. You wait here. And then I told them that I am here only. My shop is here. I am here. Whenever you want to see me, you can see me. This was the only thing. So this is what I have to say. And I have already told you that our family has been here and we have always maintained a harmony with the Inuit community for the last so many years. And never at a point of time we have acted in any manner which would hurt the sentiments of the local people. We may not be Khasis by blood, but we think Meghalaya as our hometown, and we have given our resources and everything for the development of the state, and which we will do in future, for which nobody can stop us. As we take Meghalaya as our hometown, and we are really serious about Meghalaya, and we really think about the welfare and the development of our state.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.